Hello everyone! I'd like to share a birthday card I made for my niece. This is the card. It measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. All the papers used are from Michaels. It is a double rotating wheel card. There's a wheel on the top and a wheel at the bottom. The eyes change when you rotate this part at the top. So I have some regular eyes and it rotates. So now I have some mean eyes. And next I have a winking eye. And then back to normal. The mouth changes as well when you rotate at the bottom. So I have a regular looking mouth. Then I have a kissy mouth, a sad mouth, a mouth with a tongue out, and a surprised mouth, and then a smiling mouth. I was inspired to make this card by a card I saw by ColourYourLife. I will leave a link to his video below. He made a smiley face card with changing eyes and mouths. His was like emoji style and I made mine to look like my niece. I got inspired also by this book I got from Family Dollar. It has blank doll faces you can decorate with different stickers. And these are the stickers. It has different eyes and mouths and accessories. And all of the dolls are very pretty. And here are some that she made for me. So she made these here. And these. And she did a good job putting the eyes and the mouths in the right places. So I made my card thinking of this book too. I was able to draw 3 pairs of eyes on the top wheel and 6 mouths at the bottom. And for the face, I made a sketch on white cardstock and then went over it with a thin pen. A pen like this one. I cut holes with my craft knife for the eyes and the mouth. I cut along the edge and then glued it on the card on top of this double matted pink paper. I used this sequence trim from Dollar Tree for the necklace, and I used these Studio G adhesive gems I got from Walmart. I paper pieced a piece of craft book paper for the headband, and I used this paper pad from Recollections, and I used the paper here. So I used this one, and then I just glued it here on the top for the headband. And I made this bow from a piece of ribbon I put on her head. And I colored everything with regular Crayola crayons. Inside it looks like this. It says, "Happy birthday, Angela." These letters are some glitter alphabet stickers. These from Recollections. And for the name Angela, I used these here. I decorated it with these pony stickers I found at Dollar Tree. These here. The number 9 is for her birthday. On this side I wrote her a message. And I double matted it with this blue paper and then used strips of pink paper to make a border. On the back, I left it blank and just matted it with some blue paper. And I put a pony sticker here with the year 2018. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and I love how this card turned out. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.